the ice. Welcome back. Please unbuckle and lift up on your comfort collar. Lift the harness and step carefully over the blue bar. Thank you for riding Icebreaker and enjoy.
My first new credit of the trip. Finally! I should have got on this last night, but it didn't open. Yeah, Premier rides. Yeah, these comfort colours are not very nice. Especially when mine keeps pulling it down.
Uncomfort colours.
Oh God, mine! Stop it! So this is your first lunch. Oh no! I don't like going backwards. No. Oh. Woo! Here we go! Oh, bloody hell! Woo! Oh yeah, not bad. I don't like the restraints on this though.